Myself, Vaishali Ashok Lone, MSc First Zoology. My topic name is Community Ecology. The ecology is community is group of association of population of two or more different species occupying the same time, also known as the biocoincidences biotic community. Ecological community is a group of actually or potentially interacting species living in the same location. The communities are bound together by shared environment and network of the influence each species has another community. Ecology is expanding and rich subfield of ecology. The example: the forest of tree, undergrowth plant and inhabited by animal and rooted in soil containing the bacteria, fungi constituent the biological community. The variety of uses of simplest form of the community. The term community has variety of uses. In the simple form refer to group of organisms in specific place or time. The population of a single species cannot survive by itself because they are dependent of one form of life on another. The aggregation of population of different species living together in specific area having specific set of the environment condition constituent of the biotic community. Example: the various plant and animal in the pond or lake constitute the biotic community, whereas the plant and animal in particular forest constitute another biotic community. The community ecology is study of the interaction between specific and communities on many spatial and temporal scale, including the distribution structure, demography and interaction between the population as determine the genotypic and phenotypic character. The community ecology also takes place in depends of the account of the biotic factor. The non-living factor can influence in ways species interact with other. The biotic factor filter the specific that present in community and therefore the community structure. Human can also have the effect and community structure through the habitat structure such as the introduction and to the species. The community ecology of two major types, major community and minor community. The basic community, the community two types, major and minor. Minor, they are the communities are more or less dependent on negligible communities for energy. They are secondary aggregation within the major community. Major community, they are the communities of sufficient size and completeness of organism. They are relatively dependent of resources from adjacent communities. They receive only solar energy from the sun. Major community, it is the large community which itself regulating self-independent units comprising of a number of minor communities in its. Example: the major community which are pond, lake, forest, desert, grassland. Each of these major community include the several minor communities. Minor community, it is the smaller community which is not substanding unit. It is the dependent on other communities for other existence. The major community amplifies by the forest for many major communities, namely the plant community, animal community and microbial community. The characters of the community. The commonly has the following character: structure, dominance, periodicity, stratification, ecological niche, interspecific association, community productivity and the biotic stability. The first character is structure. The structure of the community can be studied by the determining the density, frequency and the abundance of the species. The structure of influenced by many factors including the biotic factor, specific interaction level of the disturbance and chance level. It played the particularly important role in the determining the common community structure. The second character is the dominance. Usually the community has the one or more species which occur in the large number of such species called the dominance, and the community is after them. It is the degree to which the one or more several species have major influence controlling the other species in the ecological community. The second character is periodicity. In these include the study of the various life processes in the various seasons of the year in the dominant species of the community is the recurrence of these important life processes at regulated interval in the year. Their manifestation in nature in term as the periodicity. The second character is the stratification. The natural forest communities process the number of layers or store the related to the height of the plant. Example: the tall tree scrub and herbaceous layer from the different strata. This phenomenon in the plant community is called the stratification. In the field ecology refer to vertical layering of the habitat arrangement of the vegetation in layer of the habit. The largely different height to which plant grow individual layer are inhabited by the different animal and the plant communities. Second character is the ecological niche. Ecological niche. The different species of animal and plant fulfill different function in ecological complex. The role of each spoken is as the ecological niche, that is the role that species play in the ecosystem. The character, ability to nutrient, temperature, sunlight and the predator species survive the reproduces. A species curve out high the itself habit the being able to adapt the diverse form of other species. Second character is the interspecific association. This is the study of two or more species growing to in the case of the association in the regulation of occurrence. The second character is the community productivity. The study of the production of biomass is known as the production of ecology. The net production of biomass in storage of energy by community per unit time and area is called as the community productivity. The specific diversity growth from structure dominance relative awareness tropical structure. It is the deals with the group of the various kind of the population of the area. The last community is the last character is the biotic stability. The biotic community has the ability to quick region equilibrium after a disturbance in the population function. This is called as the biotic stability, and it directly proportional to the number of interactive species in the certain, that is the diversity in the community. The biotic stability, the larger number of the diverse form present in the community is more stable. That community will be stability of community depends on the large population of the few species but upon the number of population in the different species of the biotic stability. Thank you.